Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make another unboxing video. So let's see what I'm going to unbox. So I just washed my hair, you can see it's wet, and here is my hair dryer. Let's see how does it work. Here you can see you can control the fan speed from here, temperature from 0 to 3, yeah, and there is a head. And the unique thing is there is a diffuser. I didn't see any diffuser comes with a hair dryer before. So let's see. This is the back side and this is the front side. Nice. Using this one now. So my hair is almost dried out. This is the outcome. So it doesn't take very long to dry your hair out, which is a good thing. And I got a letter from a lady named Ellen, which is very cute. Yeah, overall I'm liking the product so much. Let me know how do you like my video in the comment section. So that is it for today. Wish to see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.